Hello everyone. Whenever debenture issued, different terms and condition mentioned at the time of issuing. So here is the new question, and that is the condition. It is mentioned. You can see on your screen that issue debenture at par and redeem at premium. It means we are issuing debenture at 100 rupees and we will redeem at a 105. So, Blue Limited issued rupees 8 lakh debenture, 9% debenture of 100 each at par and redeem at premium. Now, two important things that you are issuing at par and you will redeem at a premium. So, first thing, if we are issuing debenture at par, it means at the time of issue we will get the same value. It is like we are issuing at 100 rupees, so we will get the 8 lakh rupees at the time of issue. But when we will redeem, we will give more than 10%. It means around 10% on the redemption. So at the first entry, it is entry of first that will remain same. That bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. That entry will remain same, and amount whatever it is that will remain same, that is 8 lakh, because at the time of issue we will get the same amount. But when we return the amount, it means the second entry, that already you know that debenture, as we whenever we talk about premium always credited. So here premium also credited, but it is the premium that is related to when we return the amount. So debenture application and allotment account debited. Now after that we pass generally the transfer that debenture and application and allotment to 9% debenture account. After that we generally credited the security premium. So here we will mention it by the name of premium on redemption of debenture. We will mention it by these name. Now that is premium debenture amount, that is 8 lakh rupees. On that you have to give 10%, so that is your 80,000. Now if it is the 8 lakh rupees that is related to the debenture application and allotment, so directly you can transfer here, and whatever be the 10%, that is the loss of the company, because when you will redeem the debenture you have to pay. So you will open a new account by the name of loss on issue of debenture. So that amount will be 80,000. So in that way you can pass entry. Remember one thing, I am repeating again, that it is mentioned in the question that we have issued debenture, like you can see here that it is mentioned that debenture had issued at par. So when we issued debenture at par, it means the value will remain same, 8 lakh rupees will be mentioned here. But here when we talk about, it means we debenture issued at premium. So here we are passing 8 lakh, and on that you have to, at the time of it means at the time of redemption you have to give 10% extra. So that 80,000 you will mention here, and that 80,000 at the time of redemption you have to pay back to the debenture holder. So that is considered as a loss. That's why we open a separate account by the name of loss on issue of debenture. So that 8 lakh rupees mentioned here. But whatever be the value that at the time of issuing you are getting, that is 8 lakh. That's why we have transferred that 8 lakh rupees here in the bank account. So that is the first condition. That is the E condition, that debenture issued at discount and are redeemable at premium. So here you are issuing the debenture at discount, but when it means you are issuing debenture, suppose 895, that is the issued amount, but when you will redeem, suppose it is more on 10% premium, so that will be, or 5% premium, so that will be return, yeah, redeem amount, that will be 105. So in that way you have to pass entry. So here is the question that Rex Limited issued 2 lakh rupees debenture, 12% debenture, 100 each at discount of 2%. Redeemable at premium of 5% after 10 years. Pass general entry for the issue of debenture. Now when you issue, that is at the discount of 2%, but when you are redeeming, that is at the percentage of 5%. Same thing when we are issuing the debenture, it means if we are issuing the debenture, it means we are issuing at 2% discount. It means on 2 lakh rupees, if you calculate 2 lakh into 2 upon 100, so amount will be 4,000. So amount that you will receive first in the first entry, you will mention the amount, that is bank account debit to debenture application and allotment. So that 4,000 you will deduct from 2 lakh, so amount will be 1,96,000 that you will receive at the time of issue, because you are issuing debenture at the discount. We already done at the time of discount what entry we pass, if you have remembered. So that will be debenture application and allotment debit discount on issue of debenture, that is 4,000, here 1,96,000, and in the debenture you will mention to 12% debenture, so you will mention 2 lakh rupees. Now here that is the related to entry when you issued this debenture at the discount, you will pass this entry. But it is mentioned at the time of redemption you will give premium on that, so that for that purpose you will issue entry, you will mention premium on redemption of debenture account, that you have to mention, and it is mentioned that 5%. So always remember that whatever be the amount, if it is mentioned that 5% premium, so at the issue, so you will charge, it means at 2 lakh rupees into 5% you will calculate, so that will be 10,000. So here you will mention 10,000. Now already we know that whenever we open premium on redemption of debenture, so always we open an account by the name of loss on issue of debenture account, that you will mention here 10,000. So that 1,96,000 that is transferred to bank account, that you will received at the time of issue. 4,000 that is the discount, and 10,000 that is the loss on issue. So at the time of issue you will mention 1,96,000, but here whenever you are returning the amount, that is at the time of redemption, so you are opening the account of by the name of premium on redemption, and at the same time you can open loss on issue of debenture. One more alternate of passing the entry, that you can combine the entry, instead of passing the entry of discount on issue of debenture and loss on issue of debenture, you can pass a combined, it means total 14,000 you can directly transfer by the name of loss on issue of debenture. That method you can also done, and that is acceptable. So in that way you can also pass these entry. Josh Limited issued 6,000 12% debenture of 100 each at a premium of 5%, redeemable at premium after 10%. It means at the time of issuing you are giving 5% premium, and at the time of redeem redemption you will charge 10% premium. So here you will pass entry. Instead of first entry, first you have to pass second entry. So here, as already we know about when we issue debenture at premium, so we pass general entry, that is debenture application and allotment debit to 12% debenture to security premium. So in that case, if it is security premium mentioned and at the time of issue it is mentioned at 5%, so 6,000 into 100, 6,000 into 100, that will be 6 lakh rupees. So on the 6 lakh you have to charge, it means premium, that is 5%. So that will be around 30,000. So that is 6,30,000 you can transfer here. Now at the time of issue, it means at the first entry, what amount you will receive at the time of issuing, that is bank account debit to debenture application and allotment. So at the time of issue you will receive 6,30,000. That's why I have passed second entry first, so that it will be easy to remember that what amount we have to transfer here. So here we will transfer 6,30,000. And now already we know that at the time of redemption we have to give 10% premium. So as already we discussed, whenever we give premium on redemption, we open an account by the name of premium on redemption of debenture, and it is already given that 10%, so that will be 60,000. As in the previous entry we have seen that whatever be the premium on redemption of debenture, that amount we will transfer, or for that we open account at the debit side, that loss on issue of debenture account, that is 60,000. So once again I am repeating that first you have to pass the issue of, it means instead of that entry, just you, if it is issue at premium, so simple entry that you done debenture application and allotment debit to 12% debenture to security premium, that entry you will pass, and whatever be amount of 6,30,000, that will you transfer to debit side, bank to debenture and application and allotment. And after that you have to give 10% premium on redemption. So to premium on redemption of debenture, that 10% on the face value 6 lakh you have to calculate, and that you have to transfer to loss on issue of debenture. So in that way you can pass entry, and that is simple entry. If you just remember something, so you can pass these entry very easily.